We will guide you through how to image animation in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Camtasia to open the application and wait for the main editing workspace to load completely. Click New Project to create a new project. Click the Media menu on the left side to access the available media management options. Then, select the Media Bin option to open the panel where imported files are stored. Next, click the Import Media button to browse the files on your computer. Select the image that you want to use for this example. Click the Open button to continue importing the image into the project. After the image is imported, it will appear in the Media Bin and be ready to use. Drag and drop the image onto the track section so it can be edited. Click the Play button to preview the image before adding any animation and observe its current appearance. Move the timeline to the beginning of the project so the animation starts from the first frame. For this example, resize the image slightly so the animation is easier to see during playback. Go to the left side and click the Behaviors menu to view the available animation effects. For images, you can use behaviors to apply animation effects without creating manual keyframes. For this example, use the drifting behavior because it creates smooth and continuous movement. Drag and drop the drifting behavior onto the image in the track section to apply the effect. Click the Properties button on the right side to display the behavior settings. In the End section, set the speed value to 80% so the entrance animation plays at a controlled pace. Leave the During section at its default settings to maintain the standard movement throughout the animation. Then, in the Out section, set the speed value to 80% as well. Click the Play button to preview the final animation and confirm that the image moves smoothly.